Then ginatake for granted nato ng mga kaigsoon. Does this mean that God broke His promise sa Deuteronomy 31 verse 8? Does this mean na niana there is sa Judges 16 verse 20 na the Lord left him? Does this mean na buto na Ginoo sa iyang promise sa Deuteronomy 31 verse 8? No. No, it's not. And we can only realize this if we try to look at it deeper. And nataw na to ang root word in Hebrew, ani ng mga verses. In Deuteronomy 31 verse 8, the Hebrew word for leave, I will never leave you. The root word for that, or the Hebrew word for that is Rapha. So Rapha, it means let go. Na kanang na siya yung implication na ang Ginoo mismo ang mo let go sa iba. Nabuyan ka sa Ginoo. That's the root word. And then, so it means na ang Deuteronomy 31:8 it said na God will not loosen His grip or let you fall. Mo ang meaning or mutang na context sa Deuteronomy 31 verse 8. What about the word forsake? I will never leave you nor forsake you. What is the Hebrew word for that? Ang forsake? Azab. It is a Hebrew word, azab. Forsake. In other words, it literally means completely abandon. And completely abandon siya. Ang Ginoo mismo guilt nag-abandon sa imo ha. And then,